Hello, welcome to this webinar. Well, not a webinar anyway. Hello, welcome to this tutorial on how to use VLOOKUP in OpenOffice, or now called LibreOffice. So I'm going to just increase my resolution, my zoom, and then you'll be able to see what I'm typing better. So right now I have, if you've watched the video around how to do data validation, you will know how to do this. If you've not, you can go check my YouTube video list to look for that video on how to do data validation in OpenOffice or LibreOffice. So right now for VLOOKUP, interestingly, the formula is also VLOOKUP. So if you do equal to VLOOKUP, right, and VLOOKUP open bracket, so same syntax. Now the good thing about OpenOffice, which is similar to Excel, is the fact that you can use the function tool to be able to complete what you want to type. So I can say, what am I looking for? I am looking for whatsoever client name is in here, and then in which array. So as usual, I can select the entire array of table to go pick up what I'm looking for in, and then which index. So as usual, if I want January is going to be in column 1, 2, so column 2. And then do I want it to approximate, doing a kind of ascending order, sorted, get me the closest value, or get me exactly what I'm looking for? So I do not want approximation. I want it to get me exactly what I'm looking for. So I say false, do not approximate, and which is equal to 0 if you prefer to type 0. And that is all. So I'm going to say OK, and voila, it's done, right? And the interesting thing, so this is Nestle. Now if I change the company to EXP Nigeria, see, it changes, and I can follow the same approach for all of the different months. It's just for me to change that this February is on 3rd column. And for those of you who know the trick we use in Excel to get the column number, so I know this is supposed to be the 4th column, so I can say column and pick something in the 4th. So I can say D3. So that gets me the number of that column, which is like A, B, C, D, which is 4, right? See? And this makes it easy to drag. So I can drag and will not need to, I should have fixed some things. So as usual in Excel, if you don't want this to move, you fix. So I'm using A4, the same kind of keyboard shortcut you use in Excel, A4. So those ones need to be fixed. And then I'm going to drag again, and voila. I get what I want. And let's try something that we are able to do in Excel. If I select this, if this is Excel and you do F9, it tells you what the outcome will be. Unfortunately, yeah, I think it worked. See, I was about to say it didn't work. See, it worked. It told me 7. So that's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, great. So that's cool. So it works in its own way. And if you again select these, so if I select this portion of my formula and I do F9, it tells me 5. So that's a very interesting thing to see. And maybe if I select the entire formula and I do F9, see, it tells me the value. So they've maintained a lot of compatibility. Whatever you do in Excel, they try as much as possible to be replicable here in the LibreOffice or OpenOffice. It used to be OpenOffice. So thank you for watching this video. I'm going to do another tutorial on other aspects of LibreOffice. Make sure you check them out. So thank you once again.